Like that part about the seamless transfer of data between systems. I mean, aside from that, I see multiple benefits, that stem from that exact foundation. And firstly, being a faster deployment, our goal as developers and people that are helping these customers of ours is to get their crews using the app effectively doing their jobs within the first 4 weeks. I think this timing is absolutely critical to understand, where we can identify efficiencies within those processes, but also boost that user adoption. And I feel like you'll likely hear it, from the crew first that's using iMarq, along with all of the native features like the camera, the microphone, the GPS capabilities that really are built in there to simplify their tasks and allow more time for other projects or other time on tools, right? And these features will also really enrich that data being recorded within those tasks. So again, the seamless use from system to system, but also within the mobile device itself, really comes together well. We also enforce, like you mentioned, security and that data validation to, ensure those tasks are being done correctly, but also safely, within that safe cloud environment. And then lastly, iMarq is really built for scalability. I know you touched on this several times, but I talk with numerous customers about where they started with iMarq and where they are currently. And I'll tell you, once iMarq starts serving one part of their business or operations, they're likely soon to find that other areas it can be applied to, that it's going to seriously help and step in.